Alright, I'm going to show you how I'm connecting my bubbler. I was going to set up a drip irrigation, but as you know, the drip irrigation, the problem of our drip irrigation is that it can get clogged up because I'm using pond water. You can see I'm using my fish pond water to actually do the irrigation. So instead of doing drip irrigation, I'm doing a bubbler drip irrigation. So it's not like drip but more like a bubbler. But you can see I put filters. With the pond water is pretty green. It has a lot of good things in there which is good for plant. So I put a spin down filter. There's a sediment filter. I put a second disc filter that's also a sediment filter. So there are two filters in line that is going for the drip. There's a T, there's drip going to the fruit trees right there, and there's another section of the 3/4 inch flexible pipe is going to the raised garden beds that I'm creating there. I'll have some more beds there and some other plants, so I'll be drip irrigation or irrigating those. So the problem or the challenge about pond water is that it's pretty green. You see it's very green. It has a lot of sediments, fish poop and all that, a lot of sand and sediments. So the problem is the water, when the water comes out, even after the filter, it will still have some sediments and that can clog up the drip irrigation. So what I'm doing is putting a bubbler, which is much more less clogging, so it will clog very less. So these are the bubbler that I put, and it clogs less compared to the drip irrigation. This is the drip pipes. You see the holes? This is the drip pipe, and see the holes on there, right somewhere there. Every 1 feet there's a hole, you see. So those holes can get clogged very easily. So I will use this only for my rainwater, not pond water. So I'm going to keep that aside for my rainwater. I will use that for my fish pond. For the water coming from the fish pond, I'm going to use right there a bubbler. A bubbler looks like that, and you can adjust the pressure or how much water coming out, not pressure, but how much water comes out. You can adjust it. This is just you snap this out, and you plug it, you take it out, and I'll show you how you do it. You snap it out like that, and you push it into the pipe. After you make a hole, you push it into the pipe, and you connect the tube. You connect the tube to this end right there, and that's how it goes. And I got a little, to make a hole. This is like $1 or something, a very cheap one. And the problem is it's hard to hold and do it easily. So I have a little trick here. I use a little kind of plier or something like that. I can use a little plier or like this, right? Little plier like that. That gives more leverage. And all I have to do is come here and poke a hole like that. It's much easier to do with a more longer grip. And that's it. So pretty much you can see I have done one of them, and I'm right in the middle of the raised garden bed. I'm going to cut this off. It's hard to do with one hand. That's I'm not going to show everything because it's not easy to do with one hand. And you push that in, you stick it here, adjust the bubbler how much water you want. So I have put, see, some of them. I'm going to put all of them in the raised garden bed. So this is my raised garden bed. I'm going to put the bubbler all across. Right, one in the middle should be enough because those bubblers put out a lot of water. It'll spread out, and that should be good. It'll be less clogging from the pond water, because all the fish contaminants can easily clog the drip system. See the grapes growing? So it's coming pretty good. It's looking really good, huh? So yep, that's how it is. That's how it is now. It's coming along very well. So I'll take you to the journey as more of this complete. I'll show you and record it for you guys and girls, so you can see how I'm doing it and get some ideas. All right. Take care. Bye bye. Hey, little puppies. What's up? What are you doing? Huh? You're doing good? You're little happy little puppies. Whoa, whoa. You're very happy little puppies. Hey, what are you doing there? What are you eating? Huh? What are you eating there? Whoa, whoa. Okay, little puppy. Those are little puppies we have. Happy little puppies. All right.